As he sends in the cross, that's the first goal from Fabio Gama. Right place, right time. Deadlock is broken. We are in for a game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we'll be talking about the squad. We'll be previewing the game against King Faisal. I think it's going to be a very tough game. I think it's going to be a very crucial game. Considering the fact that King Faisal are fighting for relegation, I think it's going to be a very tough game. They'll come to defend and hit with the counter attack, but I hope we beat them and improve our chances of winning the Ghana Premier League and hoping the Hearts of Oak lose their remaining games. So I'll be giving you the squad that has been picked for this particular game. First of all, Habib, Christopher Nettey and Patrick Asmah are injured. They are not in the squad for the King Faisal game. So without wasting more time, let me get you the squad. Felix Annan and Kwame Ba. Razak Abalora is not in the squad for 3 weeks in a row. I think we'll talk about that issue in another video. So let's go to the defenders. Aimur Ibrahim, Apao Andrews, Abdul Ganio Ismail, Samuel Frimpong, Yusuf Mubarak. Then midfielders we have Fabio Gama, Emmanuel Jimfi, Godfrey Siama, Augustine Okra, Emmanuel Sakodi, Edom Frimpong, Mudasiru, Emmanuel Keke. Then forwards we have Evans Adomako, Andy Kumi, and Safu Taylor. Osman Ibrahim, my favorite player, and Asante Kotoko jersey, is no longer in the squad. I don't know why he has not been included in the squad for 3 games. 3 match days in a row, same as Razak Abalora, but hopefully he plays before the end of the season because I love to see Osman Ibrahim play. He's my favorite Kotoko player. So back to the game. I think King Faisal is going to be a very tough game. It's going to be a very crucial game for both teams because if Kotoko lose today or we fail to win today, we should just forget about the title. I think we should just play well, get the results and focus on the next game. We shouldn't focus on anyone else's result. We should focus on our results and our performance and win the game. So I'm thinking Kotoko will beat King Faisal probably 3-0 today in Boise. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.